Hey guys, Coach Castle here for your Monday morning motivation, and I'm here with my good friend Kathy.
Hi, how you doing?
And we're just going to cover cardio today. We took a break from her normal jogging, and instead today we're going to be doing walking burpees. Now these are not as easy as they look, and you must perform them correctly and slowly for maximum benefit. So why don't you tell me how this went, Kathy?
This went very hard, having COPD, trying to get down the sidewalk, but I made it. I do my push-ups every single day, and so that part was easy. But the jumping with my lungs and breathing was a little harder.
You had to take a lot of breaks. We took a good 5-second breaks in between every time, but it is what it is. Just like with our workouts, we have to adapt. We have you pyramid scheming your leg workouts so you can breathe and get more reps. We have you spacing out your workouts with longer time so you can include more volume in there. You're making progress continuously and always going against the odds and really showing people what's possible.
Yep, I made it. I think I did 18 push-ups. That's tremendous for being outside in the heat today.
Outstanding, and that's what makes you a bricklayer, dear, and an inspiration to everyone. Now, if I can do it, you can do it. What do you think, Kathy?
Anyone can do it if I can do it.
Absolutely. Guys, get on your grind.